If you are wondering how many eSIMs can you have on Google Pixel 11, then apparently the answer is 8, at least according to many different sources that I could find on the internet. And all of them stated that, or almost all of them stated that we can use we can store 8 eSIMs on our Google Pixel 11, which seems to be the case for pretty much every Google Pixel smartphone that of course supports eSIM. And I also checked the Google's website. They have a page about eSIM profiles on Google Pixel smartphones, and they actually didn't state a specific number. They just said that you can read over there that you can get multiple eSIM profiles on your phone, but there is no clear number. So I would just believe that it is indeed 8 eSIMs that we can have on Google Pixel 11. However, if you are wondering how many you can use at the same time, then the answer is up to 2 eSIMs. So, of course, if you have a physical SIM card inserted into Google Pixel 11, and if it's active, then in that case, you can use one physical nano SIM card and one eSIM, and that's all you can use. However, if you do not use physical SIM card, then you can use 2 eSIMs instead. So we have 2 SIM slots and that we can use. So you have the option to use one physical SIM, one eSIM, or just 2 eSIMs. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.